Hey everyone, we want to talk about how to change out your logo, company name, and maybe add your phone number to the top header area up here. Now, obviously, you've signed up for a Buck-A-Day blog website, and what you're going to do is put your email and password in if you're not logged in already. And when the page loads here, we'll show you how to change out your logo. What you'll notice is your logo is at the top here, and it's a default Acme Services logo that we can change out to whatever we have. Now, it's helpful if you have that as a transparent .png file, although if you have a background that's white or a light color, it might work as well. Anyway, what you want to do though is click on the image itself. Now, what you'll notice is there's a little wrench here for settings, and you can change the width of it this way and make sure it shows up on the right pages and that sort of thing. You don't need to worry about that yet. What we do want to do though is probably click to upload a new logo, since you're not going to be Acme Services most likely. And then you can select a logo like we have here for Good Life Real Estate, for example. All you do is click the open file, upload it, and there it is. So then you can change the dimensions of that logo. I can bring it down in size if I want to. And it's already uploaded and ready to go. So that's the first step in the header area here. Now what we'll talk about is getting a phone number over to the right hand side if you picked a split header in your design. The split header will look something like this over here. If it's a single bar at the top here, you won't have the ability to add two different sides of information to that. So let's get into that real quick here. What I need to do, since there's no block over here yet, nothing I can edit, is add what we call block to that area. And how you do that is you'll see all these big drop block here areas that you can drop these different functions into the site. There's a text bar, which you probably want to drop in unless you have an image that you can drop in. So some of you will have a phone number that's more of an image, some of you won't, and we'll go ahead and drop a text box in over here to show you how that works. I'll apply this to the subpages. This is where this block will show up, which will give us a nice little editor when I close this. I think you'll see that. So here we go. So if I click and edit this block now, you can see I have a nice little editor where I can put my phone number. Let's say it's 888-555-1212, something like they put in the movies, probably. And then what I can also do is take this and align it to the right side. Now that's obviously a bit small, and I want to get it down the page a little bit, so I just hit the enter bar a few times. I'm going to highlight it again, hit bold, and then bring that font all the way up. Then all I have to do is hit publish, and voila, there's my phone number on the website. So hopefully that helps figure that situation out for you guys, and it's important to have that phone number up there. Maybe with an email too if you want to do that. Most of the time you put that in the contact page, however, or in the footer. Hopefully that helps explain a couple things, and we'll get on to the other tutorials, show you how to do more stuff in just a moment.